Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Selling is like an ocean. Reasons why. Now, don't worry, you don't need to know how to swim, but you might need a life jacket of patience. One, it has waves, ups and downs. Some days you choose a deal, some days you just close your laptop and stare into space. Two, timing is everything. Catch the right wave at the right moment or wipe out politely. Three, you can control it, but you can learn it. Markets change like tides. Smart sellers adapt instead of panic. Four, first impression matters. Like stepping into a cold water, people decide fast if they staying or running. Five, it rewards patience. No one catches a wave instantly. Good sales takes time and twists. Six, it can look calm but be powerful. Underneath, a quiet buyer might be thinking deeply or about to say yes. Seven, preparation saves you. You don't ever enter the ocean unprepared, and you should not enter a sale unprepared either. Eight, there's always more beneath the surface. Ask, listen, understand. Nine, you'll fall sometimes, and that's okay. When pros wipes out, what matters is getting back on the board. 10, respect the key, respect the ocean, respect the buyers. Simple rule, big results. Alright, let's swim a little deeper. 11, you don't force the wave, you ride it. Rush too hard, you lose balance. Guide gently, smooth ride. 12, confidence grows with experience. First time is scary. 10 time, you're smiling while doing it. 13, it's better with a right mindset. Fear sinks, you calm, focus, keep you floating. 14, not every wave is yours. Some opportunities just aren't the right fit, and that's okay. 15, consistency matters. You don't master the ocean in one day. Same with selling. 16, you learn by doing. Reading about swimming won't help if you never get into the water. 17, energy matters. Positive energy attracts people just like a sunny beach attract crowds. 18, you need balance. Talk and listen. Offer and understand. That's your surfboard. 19, there's always another wave coming. Miss one sale, but don't worry, another opportunity is on the way. 20, it can be fun when you stop overthinking, relax, be genuine, and enjoy the process.